This video, we're going to troubleshoot getting your Samsung Galaxy Active watch to start charging if it's not charging for whatever reason. So we're going to work our way from the simplest possible issue to the very most difficult one. So immediately when you put your watch on the bay, it should still show a percentage of it charging, 0 to 100. And for whatever reason it's not showing you that 0% or whatever, like if it's completely blank, then it might not be, it might be something, an issue with the bay itself. It could be the bay, or it can be the power outlet that you're plugging it into. So make sure that your outlet is working, or try using another power outlet in your home and see if that will solve the issue. It could be your fuse is broken, or you just have to hit that little reset button on your power outlet. Second, it could be the bay itself. And here's the thing, a lot of people are buying the generic ones that you can get really cheap. And the problem is they'll work for a week or 2 weeks or a month, and then they go bad. And they're designed that way because they make them cheap as possible. So you really want to go with a genuine Samsung. And so this will show you what they look like. So try to get it with the Samsung logo on it in a genuine, because it could just be the bay that's broken, and hopefully it's not your watch. Okay, next thing we're going to do is we're going to completely reboot it up to the booted, and then we're going to reset it, and I'll show you how to do that here. So what you want to do is you want to hold down, while it's on, you want to hold down the power button and the back button at the same time. It usually takes for 30 seconds. And then when you see this off button, continue to hold down both buttons. Don't release, and don't hit the power. You keep doing this until you see the Samsung home screen. Okay, you see there it says rebooting, and you can let go. Now if it gives you an option to update, go ahead and choose update. Now next we're going to try to do a hard reset, and when you do a hard reset, it's going to wipe out all your data. But that's okay, because that might fix your not charging issue. So let's go ahead and do that now. So you want to first power it down, and these two buttons here on the right, this is the power home button here, and then this is the back button. So what we're going to do is hold it down until you get to the off. Power it off, shut it down completely. Now you got to be really quick here because it'll go quick. So sometimes you might have to try it 3 or 4 times before you get to the recovery menu. So we're looking for the recovery menu. So what you want to do is you want to hold down the home button, and when you see the Samsung logo, continue to hold down the home button until you see a little blue rebooting. And then that's going to take you to the menu. Okay, keep holding down until you see rebooting. Keep holding. There you go. Now hit it once. Okay, so you can see here on my active menu, you're going to go to recovery, and I keep pressing down so it won't turn off. When you get to recovery, you're going to hold it down. And when you hold it down, that's going to take you to recovery. If you decided to change your mind, see, it automatically reset because I didn't hold it down. If you decide you don't want to recover, just go down to the power off menu. Okay, so that should take a few minutes to do that. Now, to do it directly from the phone, I'll show you how to do it from the phone. Okay, thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe.